You ready?
Alright, first time with food.
Okay.
This is gonna be fun.
What do you think, huh?
So what is that?
It's banana. What do you think, baby? Oh my. It's good. It tastes kind of like a banana smoothie. What do you think? Good job, Bear. Good job. Good job. Her other bibs are too big for her. I think she likes it. Yeah. So that you don't get this all over both of us. Here. All over her hands. Oh gosh.
Yep.
Can you hand me a paper towel?
Begins a long
Can you hand me a paper towel?
period of messiness.
Only because I'm on the couch.
A paper towel?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Hi. Oh, you got your thumb.
Does she like it?
Yeah, I think she does. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, good.
She's like, that was good. I want to eat the paper towel too.
I know. She kind of would like anything at this point, I think. Hi. Okay, here. Not with your hands. No, just let mommy do it. Just let mommy do it, okay? Wow. Look at you. Good girl, huh?
So excited. Well, there you have it. First time eating anything.
Yay!
Good job, baby.